In prime time news this evening, massive seizure of guns and ammunition at Sangster International Airport.
Driver in deadly Clarendon crash to be charged in a few hours.
And Portland's infrastructure continued to be tested as heavy rain lashes the parish. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Very special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
And of course, later in the newscast, we'll have the latest from the business world, but Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Janella. Well, the nominees are out for the National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year and Cavalier. Well, they're celebrating being champions of the Caribbean. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. We are having windy conditions, especially across northern and southeastern parishes, but we're also having some strong shower and isolated thunderstorm activity affect these areas as well. Most of the dry, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions are confined to southwestern parishes.
So in layman's terms, we call the wind Christmas breeze. Okay, let's just work with that. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime later in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the establishment of mobile police posts?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.